Rain is the main source of water. Rain is also the common form of precipitation as well as the most important element of weather. Now, what is precipitation? Precipitation is any form of moisture that comes down to the earth in the form of rain, snow, etc. Now, let us see the types of rainfall. There are three types of rainfall: convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall and cyclonic rainfall. Convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall occurs in equatorial areas. Now, what do you mean by convection? Convection can be explained through an example. Let us take a container. Okay, in the container, the water in the lower part heats up first. The water there gets lighter and travels up towards the surface. Similarly, the water molecules on the Earth's surface continuously heat up and rise above. This is called convection. Once the water molecules reach a certain height in the atmosphere, it cools down and forms clouds. The clouds then gets heavier and heavier and then pour them down as rain. That is, warm moisture air rises and cools on reaching a certain height, resulting in heavy rain in the same location. Lightning and thunder takes place regularly. The term orographic is associated with mountains. Rain-bearing clouds travels far across to deliver rain to different places until they find the mountain as an obstruction. As the clouds are heavy, it cannot go over to the mountains to reach the other side. The clouds, in order to reduce its heaviness, drop some of the water as rain, and hence the rain to this side of the mountain is called windward side. Once it stops raining, the clouds move to the other side. Since most of the rains happened on the windward side, the other side does not receive much rainfall. This side of the mountain is called leeward side. Cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall occurs when cold and warm air mass meet. That is, air mass strike each other face to face. Now, what do you mean by air mass? Let us take a small vessel of water and boil it. After few seconds, we can feel that the place above the vessel gets warm. This means the heat from the object is heating up the air around them too. In the same way, the air around the large part of ocean or land gets heated up or cools down. This large area of heated or cooled air is called an air mass. Sometimes an air mass stretches from 10 to 20 kilometers. This boundary where the air masses meet is called a front. As the air masses rises, it expands and cools, resulting in rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall is mostly seen in the tropical and temperate regions where cold polar winds meet the warm westerly winds. Cyclonic rainfall is also known as frontal rainfall in higher latitudes.